I love that. I mean, I know for me, when I decided to change my health, I knew that my passion was going to go in that direction and help others and just.
Hey, it's Lance McGowan here and
Mallie Simpson.
And today we're covering the doTERRA Natural Solutions Kit, and we're highlighting a couple of the awesome products, which is the Protecting Shampoo and the Smoothing Conditioner. And before you say, well, hold on, time out, Lance, you don't have any hair, so how can you talk about... Well, I'm going to cover that, so stay tuned, all right? Don't go anywhere because I'm going to cover the benefits of it still. So, folks that do have hair or folks that don't have hair can still benefit. Aha, there is a solution somewhere, right? Yes. All right, so besides not having hair, the problem for many people is that the reactive approach to health costs extra time, money, and frustration, and that's no fun for anyone. Right,
and so when we're talking about products like shampoo and conditioner, we're talking about non-toxic, right? Because they can really be an assault on our health when we're using products that are very toxic. The solution is a natural solutions kit because you can be prepared for life's little emergencies by having natural solutions like these, shampoo and conditioner, within arm's reach when things pop up. Mm-hmm. So for me, I know when I learned about all the chemicals that were in regular store-bought shampoo and conditioner, I searched and searched looking for products or shampoo and conditioner that didn't have a bunch of crap in it. And when I found these and started using these, I mean, just amazing benefits for my hair.
That's right. And we're going to start off with talking about the shampoo right here that comes with this kit. And the benefits of this are that it provides light moisturizers to leave hair soft, shiny, and silky. Again, this is for folks that have hair, but for folks who don't, I'll share how you can benefit as well. Stay tuned again. All right. This also reduces combing force and both wet and dry hair to reduce styling damage to your hair. It reduces mechanical styling damage to hair and shortens the styling time. It also promotes cleansing of the hair or helping to remove residue left behind by styling products, and really just protects the color-treated hair against UV oxidation. And so this is a really great natural solution. It also comes with wild orange and lime in there, so that's awesome. And finally, the way that I use this, because you've probably been wondering, how do you use it, Lance? It's very simple. I just use it as a body wash. And, there is hair on my body that gets shampooed besides here. But besides that, how I use it as a body wash is because it does still have that nice, bubbly, sudsy, and cleansing aspect of that. And that's what's really awesome about this. And also, it's SLS free or sodium lauryl sulfate free, and most shampoos have that. It helps to suds it up, but it's not good for your body or your skin. And so that's free of that. And so this is just a really nice natural shampoo, or for some folks, a natural body wash.
Right, and it also doesn't have any parabens in it, and it also has all those natural essential oils in it to make your skin and your hair smell great. Not all those fragrances and perfumes and overpowering scents to it as well. So combined the two together, then you have the smoothing conditioner. And I have a lot of thick hair, as you can see, so I'm not lacking in hair on the head there, as Lance is. So I really, like this because this really can help with the detangling process, help soften my hair. I put this in the shower after I use the shampoo, and then I take a comb and I comb through my hair while it's still wet, while it still has the conditioner in it, so that helps with the breakage as well. And it's really amazing because of the amazing aroma that it comes with it. It has botanical extracts that provide hair color maintenance and support. And the oils that it has in it is lavender, peppermint, marjoram, cedarwood, lavandin, rosemary, neoli, and eucalyptus. And so the two of these, they just smell so amazing and just so natural for your hair. And I've been using these ever since. I've tried to use a few other products on the market, and they just don't compare.
That's right. They don't compare, but you can use it for your hair. And so these are really just awesome oils to use together. They're not oils, but they have oils in it, right? But they're just companion products that come in this kit, and it's really awesome. And some people may be asking though, like, why doTERRA? There's lots of other essential oil companies out there, so why would we choose doTERRA?
Well, doTERRA in general, with all these amazing products, is that they are the largest, the most trusted, most transparent essential oil company on the market today. And what I really like is that the oils that you see here that you can put in your water or put on your skin are going to be the same oils that you put in, that they put in the shampoo and the conditioner. So you know that they're not skipping out on the quality of the essential oil that's going into your shampoo and conditioner. So if you look on the market, like a lot of shampoos and conditioners and lotions have essential oils in them, but do you really think they're using something that's certified pure therapeutic grade in their product? Probably not. So doTERRA is also debt-free. The founders have over 150 years of experience in natural solutions, and like I said, their standard is that certified pure therapeutic grade for all their essential oils. It passed many different tests, third-party testing. With every batch, there's a website you can go to, Source to You, to check your essential oil, make sure that it has been tested and passed all the tests and standards that doTERRA requires before they ship it out to you.
That's really awesome. Yeah, that's definitely one thing that drew me towards doTERRA, which was their quality, because we want consistent results every time, and that's what allows that. And so, you know, we don't skimp out on our vacation quality or car quality or home quality or clothes quality, because we want a better experience, a more positive experience. And so the essential oils and products are no different. Higher quality means better results and more consistent or positive experience.
Right. And so when you're choosing your essential oil company and who you go through, you know, why choose me over somebody else? What would you say, Lance?
Yep. Well, Malia and I are a team here, and what we do is we offer a lot of experience. And so Malia's been with doTERRA for over 5 years. I've been with doTERRA for over 4 years. And so we're not going anywhere but forward and helping our clients with their health and improving their quality of life. We also have a whole food, plant-based focus on eating right, because we know that when we eat right and use essential oils, we compound those benefits and have a way better quality of life as well. And so that's what we offer through recipes and other videos, and really just personalized support and education to our clients. And then also we have quick email and text response time, because we don't want anybody to feel ignored or rejected. That's our current clients, that's also future clients. And so that's just anyone making sure that they get their questions answered in a timely and responsive manner. We try to shoot for within 24 hours, because that's what we've learned from benchmarks of other industries. That's best in class or world class, you know, customer service. Within 48 hours is what a lot of companies do. That's still really good, but then anything outside of that is just, you know, customer service is obviously going to go down on that mark. More than a transaction, what we really want to do is walk you through your wellness journey so that you feel like you're guided in the right direction, that we're not pushing or pulling you somewhere, but it's really just through that, again, that personalized support, that education, and really from a practical standpoint, it's a wellness consult to help you learn how to use everything you bought. It's just something we schedule with a PDF. It's a phone conversation. It's completely complimentary to our clients who get a kit. And then also to go over the benefits and how to get the most discounts on your membership and really maximize it to the fullest.
That's awesome. And I love that we have that real focus on whole foods, plant-based. I know when I attended, you know, when I joined doTERRA as a wholesale customer, I attended a green smoothie class here in Las Vegas, and you did as well. And we were both looking to change our health and make changes to our diet first before we were introduced to the essential oils at all. So that was our first step. So being able to provide that kind of support and education on not just the essential oils, but the nutrition aspect of it as well is a really asset to people looking to improve their health.
Absolutely.
So why now? Why choose doTERRA, and why pick a kit today or tomorrow, whenever you're ready to get started?
Well, that's a great question because if we procrastinate or ignore our problems, that doesn't mean they're going to go away. And what we do know is that Murphy's Law states that anything that can go wrong will go wrong, and our health is no exception to that. And so, you know, do you get car insurance after you get into a car accident? Well, the answer is no if you want to ride clean, not ride dirty, because we have to have car insurance here in Nevada and any other state, right? At least liability, and kind of get some other stuff in there too. But anyways, the point is to be proactive, not reactive with regards to our health. And that's going to save you the most time, the most money, and the most frustration. Because we're going to actually spend money on stuff anyway. We're going to spend money on shampoo or conditioner or soap or body wash or whatever. Anyway, why not use it on something that's natural, safe, and effective? We're going to spend money on supplements. Why not spend it on something, again, natural, safe, and effective? We're going to spend money on personal care and all these other items that doTERRA offers. It's just swapping out something. And so really that's what's going to make a big difference. And with this kit, you get 100 free product credits, which is like oil money in your oil bank account. You save over $228. You get your membership fee waived, which is amazing. And then you also get 15% back on anything you buy in the loyalty rewards program. And so most people start off as a wholesale customer. You get 25% off, which is perfectly fine. And then you also get additional 15% in the loyalty rewards program, bringing your savings to 40% off with the option to get up to 55% off. And so that's what you get in the loyalty rewards program. And we cover that in the wellness consult, again, so you don't have to memorize or feel overwhelmed about all this information. So it's a conversation we schedule after you get the kit, and we just go over everything. And the purpose is really to help you feel empowered and comfortable about taking care of your health in a very natural way.
Yeah, I love that. I mean, I know for me, when I decided to change my health, I knew that my passion was going to go in that direction and help others and just pass along that information and education to them.
Absolutely. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the link in the description below so you can see how to get started with this kit today and not let Murphy's Law get a hold of you, right? And then you can also hit the like button if you did, and then hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so for future video updates, and we'll see you in the next video.